Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Scarborough. Check out their Sea Life Centre, which is right on the North Bay, right on the seafront. So let's go in and check out all the fish. I think there's also penguins, otters and sharks. Come on, let's go.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel, planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
First exhibit, what we got? Some fishes. A lobster. Big old lobster. European lobster. Mermaid's purses, these shark eggs. Shark eggs at the back. Little starfishes. You have to love stingrays. What's this big guy? Is he a cod? So in Coral Cove, you'd expect some coral, and we've got a big coral here. Wow. Nemos. Lots of Nemos. Them big anemones. Look at all the Nemos in the cloud, in the anemone. Wow, look at this guy. Jellyfish discovery, or through the tentacles. Wow, these are mad, aren't they? What even is it, other than a jellyfish? They just float around in circles all day long. Look at his little pods moving to constantly stay on the glass. It's mad, isn't it? Cool little fish though. £10 points if you can find him first. No idea. Turtle rescue. So if your turtle needs water, you put it there. Apparently do that, and it makes things better. Found me a turtle. Turtle goes there. And you do that, and everything's well. Feed your turtle. Better if they actually gave you a turtle. So next up, get ready to walk with the penguins on Penguin Island. I feel ready. I'm not sure the weather's ready for us. Don't open gate. Pirate Adventure mini golf. Penguin hide. Check that out later. Ooh, penguins. Bet they think it's quite warm today. Oh, it's gonna break my back. Oh, and I can't stand up. And you can't see. Ooh, this bit's cool. See him swim underwater. Yeah, right on cue. Good penguin. Farting heavily out the back door. That's a bit embarrassing. It's doing it a lot. Is this what penguins do in the water? Maybe that's how they breathe. Pretty cool penguin enclosure though. It's quite big. Good swimming area. Got a little waterfall there. Just never knew they farted when they went underwater. Apparently we have bug gardens and bee banks at the Sea Life Centre. Interesting. So you do have to pay extra for adventure golf. Seems a bit weird to me, but let's have a quick look. See what it's like. It does look like a fun crazy golf though. It's not your bog standard boring one, is it? So cool. These sharks just having a sit down. Didn't know they did that. Oh, is that that's a reef shark, isn't it? Black tip reef shark? Maybe. Wow, look at this guy. Oh yeah, got it right. Master of sharks. More shark eggs. Wow, look at this one. How mad's that? Spirally ones. Here he comes, Mr. Seal. He looks like he's having a chill over there. We've got 3, 4. So they have this cool little seating area under the canopy, and I think they do the feeding shows on the seals. And then round here I think we've got So it looks like the otters are currently under construction, so can't check those out unfortunately. So let's enter the tunnel. Dun dun dun. Mr. Shark from earlier. I love the dramatic music. Like we're off to war with the fish. Oh, this is a cool shark. Is he doing hiding in the corner? Whoa, look at this guy. The weirdest fish in the world. Big old puffer fish. Wonder how big he puffs to. Whoa! It's really funny when you're just looking at the video rather than past the camera, because giant fish just swim into frame. This is his tropical brother. Puffer fish from the rivers. Whoa, look at those teeth. Actually, I don't think this is marine too. Got it wrong. His brother from another mother. Lionfish over there, and then a big eel at the back. Now we're in the Rainforest adventure. We've got little river fishes, little tetras. Bit of a letdown after the shark exhibit. Oh, these are better. Madagascar day geckos. Cool lizards. We've got stick insects. Disgusting. What we got in this one? Just some sticks. Oh, I see a tail. It's a skink. Is it a monkey-tailed skink? It is a monkey-tailed skink. Just see his tail. Tiny little pufferfish. Where is he? Our carpet chameleons. These are little tiny chameleons. Where are they? In another life I used to breed lizards. I always wanted a carpet chameleon, but I never quite got round to having one. Oh, there he is, up there. Hopefully you can see him. Cute little guys. £120 for Craig the crab. Lots of different stuff to choose from. All very expensive. Big penguin boat.
Itsajackslife, packed your bags on its roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks.